Hi, it's Jason here from Streamline. Today I just wanted to introduce you to our specialist cleaning vehicles which we have on our hire fleet. So these vehicles are available for short-term hire and also long-term hire, but primarily might be of interest in a short-term application. So say for instance you've got a vehicle off the road at the moment which you need replacing, you can just give us a shout. We've got these available immediately. These vehicles are perfect for window cleaning or cladding cleaning. So if you perhaps have got a large contract which you've won and you're just wanting a short-term solution with another perhaps employee coming on board which you don't want to commit to long-term, these are excellent for that sort of application. In the back of these vehicles we have the Bravo 650, the 650 litre tank system with reverse osmosis filtration, as well as 2 pumps, 2 controllers, so a dual user if need be. Super simple, nice and easy to use. We also have some hot water pressure washing vehicles with a window cleaning application on board as well in larger vehicles. I'll drop a link to those below in the description so you can view the video on those. So all these vehicles are fully equipped, ready to go. We have in these a couple of poles, so a shorter and a longer pole, and then also 2 hose reels. If you're needing one of these, as I say, we have them available immediately. So don't hesitate to give us a call or get in touch and we'll be very happy to help you out.